Today, I'm intending that you walk away being more at cause rather than at the effect. Now, for some people, when I say that, they give a look. What do you mean, cause and effect? Everything in our heads is made up. Would you agree?
Yeah.
It's made up.
It is.
Why not choose to make up something that's empowering versus make up something that's disempowering?
That is really good.
We default to disempowering. That's what we do, we being a human being. I'll put my hand on him. I like to touch the opposite shoulder, but you don't have to. And I'll say, hold. And I'm looking for a solid feeling. He held. Now take your index finger, the pad of it, and touch that point right there. It's called lower. Right in the, there we go. Now, hold strong. Watch his arm. Hold strong. Now, take your finger away. Hold strong. Put your finger back.
Wow.
This is a polarity point. So energy comes up the back and down the front. So when you're muscle response testing, you want to make sure when the person makes contact with this point that their body goes weak. If it doesn't, then that person's polarity is switched.